Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to calm earthquake. First of all, you need to know about tectonic plates before know about earthquake. First of all, our earth is divided in several plates that plates called as tectonic plates. For example, let this figure is earth overview. Okay, these these all are tectonic plates. Earth is not like that, but for example, let the figure is earth. Okay, our earth is divided into 20 or 22 tectonic plates. Okay, some small things you essential to know that know. Okay, uh, I think you know that our earth is divided into many of layers, which are uh, outermost layer crust and middle layer mantle, then core. Okay, core is the middlest, means mean middle of the earth layer. Okay, crust where the earthquake originate, that point, that place called as focus. Let that point is uh, origination of earthquake. Okay, and these points nearest place called as epicenter. It is a nearest place of focus. Okay, and that is epicenter, and that is nearest. Okay, nearest place of focus. Then we need to know uh, convection current. Now we learn convection current with the help of sorry with the help of a case of boiling water. Okay, take a bowl. Okay, we fill with water and then construct a heat source. Okay, so okay, now water is get heated. Firstly heated this area of water, and which water present is here, it get heated, and we know that heated material get lightweight and goes upside. Okay, therefore the which water present is here is start to going upside, means which water present is present in this area, it go upside, and it water is come to it portion, means which water present is here now present is here because of the heat, and heat then come upside, it get chilled because it going to far away from the heat source. Okay, now get chilled, and we know that chilled and cold material is get uh, heavy and it comes below. Now due to heaviness, it coming to below, and then come to below, fear it get heated and get lightweight again, which water present is here going up side. Okay, now this cycle is actually worked as a in earthquake. Okay, so what happen in earthquake, let's discuss. Our earth layer is a core have a 5200 degrees Celsius temperature, and our mantle is consist with magnesium, aluminum, oxygen, etc. Okay. Now, due to a high temperature, it mantle start the boiling. When the when they start mantle boiling, which are present in this area, which materials present in this area, it get warm and heated, and it started to move upside and upside. Okay, which material are present is here. Now it comes to here. Okay, so uh, due to heat, which material present in this area, it continuously goes upside. Okay, then chilled. When reached this area, that water then get chilled, and chilled uh, get chilled, so come in mentally because of heaviness. Okay, so it boiling means warm material is forced to crust, push, continuously push. Okay, because of the mentally warm material. Okay, ठीक. uh, Due to it, our earth plates, tectonic plates present on the crust. Okay, so what happened, it push the tectonic plates, and due to pushing, our tectonic plates are moved. Okay, often the force applied by the mantle material which are present closest to the core, it goes up. Often it push heavy force, with heavy force. Okay, so due to it, our tectonic plates are move heavily. Okay, uh, in always time our crust is moving, but that speed is very slow, it cannot feel, but often it push with heavy force. Okay, then it moves in heavy means um, more speeds. Okay, that we feel as a earthquake. Okay, now we see practically how what is the causes of earthquake. Now let this hand is crossed. Okay, and that is a push applied by the mantle. Okay, which means it force exerted by the boiling heated material which are present nearest the core. After heating, it goes upside, and that force applied to the crust. Okay, then it then it applied the force and push it. Crust is now starting to going to right left. Okay, and this is the due to it causes, it create the earthquake. Now let's discuss seismic zone. Sorry, sorry, a spelling mistake. Now let's discuss seismic zone or fault zone. Okay, fault zones is a zone where two tectonic plates are meet. Means this zone, this these zones where the two tectonic plates are meet, that zone is called as seismic zone or fault zone. Okay, now a second. Now we are going to discuss converging and diverging of crust layer. Okay, so it is a crust layer and it is another crust layer. Okay, now it is the case of converging. Okay, in which in this case uh, due to two tectonic plates are I don't know why. Now we are going to discuss converging and diverging of crust layer. So it is the case of converging of crust layer. Okay, our crust layer in this case, first of all, it is a crust layer. It is another crust layer. Okay, means that place. Okay, that place called as seismic zone, and it place meets two tectonic plates. It both are the tectonic plates. Okay, so in this case these plates are going to converge, mean uh, due to meet with heavy force. Okay, due to force applied by the mantle. Okay, warm material. Okay, it 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 force applied to right to left, and it layer applied to left to right. So this crust layer is moved to upside and this crust layer moved to downside, and it when moved it's form a क्या बोलते हैं mountains. Okay, it forms a mountain when it comes to its side, and it goes to its side. It goes upside, then it form a mountain. Okay, means our state of Jammu Kashmir, Assam. Okay, Assam, Sikkim, Nepal, meant sorry, our Nepal is a country. Okay, Nepal or Mount Everest. Okay, it all are comes in a seismic zone, and Mount Everest are formed by the converging of crust layer. Okay, converging of crust layer, Mount Everest is formed due to its case. Okay, our Mount Everest is moving grows every year of 5 centimeter. Okay, every year 5 centimeter our Mount Everest is grow up due to earthquake. Mount Everest is lived in on Eurasian plate, and we lived in Indian plate. Indian plate means lead. It is a Indian plate. Okay, it is a Eurasian. Okay, Indian plate push the Eurasian plate, and Eurasian plate is goes upside. Okay, then is goes upside from Mount Everest, and every year our Mount Everest is moved upside 5 centimeter per year. Okay, it is a converging. Now let's go to diverging. Now diverging in a case, uh, both tectonic plates. Okay, our first of all, essential to know that earthquake is very danger in seismic zone areas. Okay, earthquake is get more harm. Okay, in seismic zones. Seismic zones, uh, on the seismic zone lies Nepal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, in now come to the topic diverging. In this case, two tectonic plates uh, goes to opposite side. Okay, it moves to uh, left side. It moves to right side. Means in middle form a hole which forms a volcanic eruption. Then crust is break, means it is a crust. Due to diverging, it moves to opposite to each other. Okay, it moves. Then here is a present mantle. Mantle is a mantle is a liquid form. Okay, it comes to upside and form a volcano. Okay, it forms a volcano, and it here is a occurs volcano eruption and get harmed in this area. Okay, now some knowledge I want to give you. Earthquake graphs is constructed by the seismograph, and in the magnitude of Richter scale. Richter scale generally Richter scale is have a 10 magnitude. I am written only 8 due to a space crisis. Okay, so uh, sorry. Okay, in this magnitude, uh, one magnitude is 10 times more of the first magnitude. Okay, means 2 is 10 times more than 1. Okay, 3 is 10 times more than 2. Okay, like that. Okay, it is a magnitude. It is called a Richter scale. Okay, and seismograph is a graph. A seismograph is construct a graph of earthquake. Okay, okay.